Hi, I'm Krista from 4Sight OT Automation, and I'm here to give you a quick look at how our digital energy solution is helping large operations take control of their power performance. In industries like mining, manufacturing, and smart infrastructure, every kilowatt counts. Unplanned outages and energy waste are costly and avoidable. That's where we come in. Our solution combines purpose-built software with intuitive dashboards, trend analysis, event logging, and real-time reporting, giving you clear visibility into your energy usage and power quality. It's scalable, smart, and integrates effortlessly with your existing systems. From cutting energy costs to improving electrical reliability and reaching your sustainability goals, we make it easier. Want to unlock better energy performance? Let's power a smarter future together. 4Sight OT Automation. Efficiency in every watt. Contact us today to learn more.